Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So in today's video, we are gonna make some juice, okay? So today I'm gonna blend up some carrot juice. I'm gonna make it from scratch and I'm gonna share it with you guys. All right, today's Sunday and me just feel for some carrot juice. Me not really cook no big dinner today. Me not cook no rice and peas or nothing. Me just go whip up something quick and just have it with the carrot juice. So stick around guys. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. And also guys, as I said, today is Sunday, and I wanted to take the kids to the Sumfest family fun day thingy, but me not gonna really do that today. Yeah, me not gonna really bring them today, but me did really want to bring them, but that's how it go. Anyways guys, I went to the Alkaline show that held in Trelawney last week. I tell you, say he showed it nice. He showed it really nice. Honestly, me never get a chance for me say me did love vlog, you know, but me never get a chance for vlog or not, because when me reach, guys, me kinda reach late still. Because when me reach, when me say place park. One of my friend did a whole one space for it. And when me reach up to where she did, I mean it crowd tight, so like sweater drip off, like me could stay there. So me did kinda have to go around my back little bit to get like a fresh air, because me I tell her say if crowd thick, but real in get a really good turnout. Me I tell her say me really enjoy myself. When me reach Intense was on stage. When me reach after Intense, I think it was either Armani, yeah, and then Munga, and then after Munga it was the boss come out. That was Alkaline, and him going good. In performance was very good. 10 out of 10, me I tell her. Would I go back right now, but guys, me could vlog right this, so me I tell her couldn't. But yeah, it was a good show, and me want to go to Sumfest this Friday, July 18. I think July 18. Me really want to go to Sumfest, because you know say then go crown Vibes Cartel King of Dancehall. Me know say this will go ram. So me see if me can vlog this. I really want to vlog this also. I see if me can get some little content, clippings and showing the guys. I'm really excited to go right there. So me and my cousin and my nephew go. So you guys are gonna see that. But me I tell you, say Alkaline showed it really nice. I really enjoy myself. Yeah. I'm going good. My artist that. Yeah, my artist that. Even though this Sumfest, I don't see much artists on the show, but I just want to go because I want to see what go on. You know? I really love Sumfest. Guys, I love stage show. I love stage show real bad. So anything for this stage show, I go. Sumfest anyway. Yeah. So I'm going to go and take in who if you take in and all of that. Even though I have like artists on the show still, and I have Tamale. I want to see Tamale. Honestly, I don't really like Massacre, you know. I don't know. I think Massacre just have one style. I don't know. I know in the comments on the thing Massacre. I have some bad songs still, you know, but I just not like his style. I can change up like a style, man. I have just one little girl song up on the same style, bad man song up on the same style. Like, I can't change up like a style, man. Sure. I don't know about that come for me in the comments, you know. But I don't really like Massacre. But him go up on the show. I really wish TJ would have up on the show. I like TJ, you know. But I see TJ upon the show. I see Idoni upon the show. I don't know. But I go to see Tamale, I go to see Skeng, and I go to see them Crown Vibes Cartel. I never go to Vibes Cartel show. I never go this because I don't have the money there. But I see my Sumfest. Me's a Vendetta fan. Me's a Alkaline girl. But me see what Cartel I go on with. Anyways, Let me know in the comments if you're gonna go to Sumfest and if you're excited. I am excited, so might we see what going on. Might we see what going on. Yeah. Alright, so right here we have 1 pound of carrot. We are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to cut them up and put them on the stove for boil. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just gonna make this boil up a little bit and then we blend it up. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take off the carrot off the stove and put it in the blender. So our ingredients we have here, we have nutmeg, we have vanilla, supplegen, tin milk, and normally people use dragon, but I'm gonna use Malta. Yeah, we're not gonna use no dragon, I'm gonna use Malta today. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna blend up the carrot first before we add in any of the ingredients. So just go blend it up first. I added some more water. Alright guys, so before me put no ingredients or anything in them, I'm going to blend it up one more time. We just strain it off, so I'm going to put it back in our blender and blend it up one more time. Alright, so I want everything smooth. Alright, so we're going to do the supper gen right now. And then I have my nutmeg. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. Some people call it carrot juice, some people call it carrot punch. Just gonna call it carrot punch for today. Go to now put some ice and taste it. Yum. Alright, so we're gonna taste it right now. Tastes nice. It tastes nice. It really tastes nice. You want some? You want some? Come for some. Very refreshing and nice. So alright, so this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.